This Real Estate Advantage property video is presented by Corey Moore. Welcome to this well-crafted, well-maintained and low-maintenance Amish-built home. This home features 2,036 square foot of living plus a high, dry semi-finished walkout basement. This home features 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, a large eat-in kitchen with spectacular cabinetry, granite countertops and a large open living room. The full bathroom features amazing cabinetry with granite countertops, a soaking tub and a stand-up shower. The property will be sold with 2 acres which has stunning countryside views. There is a 32 by 56 metal-sided pole barn with an additional 12 by 56 lean-to. There is an additional 3 to 4 stall horse barn sided by rough-cut lumber. To top that off, there is an additional shed for storage. Note: this house does not have electric, but the builders did pre-wire the house in the event it was sold or electric was desired. Ask the selling agent for more details. The beautiful concrete basement floor has also been pre-plumed for in-floor hot water radiant heating. The residence is currently heated by a wood-burning stove. The property currently has 4 acres, but will be sold with no less than 2 acres. For more information,